slows down, and I was alarmed. I need to do something about it. I was like going to the gym twice in a week and then cutting some carbs, pero wala nangyayari. And then my friend told me she found something interesting online and it's called the Burn Shake.
And Burn Shake, meron siyang cereal, catechin, and phenomate. Ito kasing phenomate, it is an ingredient that is proven effective in weight loss management. Plus, it increases your energy kahit hindi ka masyado kumakain.
Phenomate has a unique standardization with 4 key components, namely the saponins, caffeine, theobromine, and the caffeoyl quinic acids. Phenomate is a multi-component extract that derives its unique activity profile from the synergy between multiple substances. Scientific studies demonstrated that this extract can reduce the resorption of fat, boost fat burning, and suppress appetite.
Ito kasing Burn Shake has an ingredient called Garcinia cambogia. Most of the time kasi, di ba, we eat fatty foods. So, yung Garcinia cambogia, it hinders the absorption of fats in our body. So, because of Garcinia cambogia, hindi na naa-absorb yung fat sa katawan natin. Na-flush out na siya agad ng digestive system natin. And Garcinia cambogia has this active ingredient called hydroxycitric acid. So, it has boosted fat burning and cut back appetite according to studies.
So I ordered, and what's indicated in the package, I followed it. I replaced my 2 regular meals. So yung lunch ko, yung dinner ko, ang ipinalit ko, itong shake na to. So sabi ko, would it be possible for me to survive a week or a month doing this every day?
This Burn Shake partner is actually very rich in protein and amino acid.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi na ako kakain?
Parang ganito. Let's say, for example, malakas ka kumain ng lunch. Instead na kainin mo yung full lunch mo, iinumin mo na lang itong Burn Shake together with fruit. Let's say, for example, apple. So, 1 Burn Shake plus 1 apple. Consider na siya as meal. So, mas maganda yun, di ba? Pwede mong gawin once a day or twice a day. It's up to you.
Hindi kaya yung mga ginagawa ko before when I'm joining beauty pageants, you know, abrupt na pag-diet. I feel really weak. Well, here, I'm functioning as normal as I can, effectively and efficiently. And I did it for 2 months. I'm telling you, 2 months, 6 pounds. Yeah, 6 pounds. You're gonna lose full. And this is my ideal weight, my ideal shape right now because of the Burn Shake.
Cereal increases our serotonin hormones, or otherwise known as happy hormones. Kasi diba, what our bird products does is they suppress our appetite and our cravings. So tendency is mawawalan tayo ng gana masyadong kumain. And normally, every time nawawalan tayo ng gana kumain, hindi tayo masyadong nagiging productive or hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-isip ng maayos kasi nga iniisip natin, gusto natin kumain. But with this, walang ganun na effect. Kasi even though nasa-suppress yung appetite and cravings, on the other hand, ini-increase naman yung serotonin hormones. So, ibig sabihin, you are assured that you will be on a good mood and you can still do your work properly.
Pero, ang pinaka-importante dito, partner, is that this Burn Shake is an FDA registered with CPR number or Certificate of Product Registration number. Kaya naman sure tayo na legit pa.
So until now, I'm taking it. You know, I continuously take it. So for people struggling with their weight, this is what you have to take. I suggest really, walang mawawala sa inyo. I took a risk, and here I am now. I'm so much happy with the results that the Burn Shake gave me.